I believe that there's this huge misunderstanding in the crypto market right now. February hasn't gone as expected or to plan. A lot of people right now thought, people would be driving Lamborghinis and be retired, and that's not always the case. February can be a time where the market does begin to take off, and unfortunately, a lot of this has been kind of squashed this month because of these negative events we've dealt with time and time again. And last night was, again, another event that pushed XRP to the bottom of its trend. Luckily, it's holding at least as of right now. But what I want to talk about is how a lot of this has actually just been pushed back slightly. And in fact, March, April, May are a big time for the crypto market in general and have historically been. And in fact, we may be talking about XRP actually flipping Ethereum over the course of these next 3 months. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yes, February has been dog crap. It's not been fun. XRP has obviously been pushed around within trend here. We can see obviously the early part of February, we started all the way at the top of our trend. We tested our bottom here. We obviously had the breach on the big liquidation event, tested the top. We had tested the top again. And now overnight we've tested the bottom again because Binance did some unloading on Solana, did some unloading on Ethereum. And unfortunately it drug kind of alts throughout the space around just a little bit. It sucks. It is what it is. Here we are. And again, this is another opportunity for those that were looking for discounted prices. Now, that being said, XRP is sitting right on top of what has been resistance in the past. So it's trying to turn this into support. And there's the potential that, over the course of the next few days, we could see this subsequent recovery, test at the top of the trend. Really, it starts need to, again, start confirming candles above its 20 and its 50-day moving average. That's going to be a very strong sign. And in fact, I still have the feeling that this later part of the week is going to be good for the crypto market. Now, this isn't to guarantee your financial advice or anything like that. And in fact, these next few months are more so what I'm looking for. I've talked about historically when I plan on taking some profits across the crypto market. And it's in that time frame of March, April, May. It looks like it's probably going to be the latter part of that time frame now, because a lot of this excitement in the market, a lot of the adoption has been pushed back just slightly. And what I mean by that is, we haven't started to see these massive inflows of capital from outside the space. We haven't started to see the big times of adoption really truly hit the market yet. There's been little bursts here and there. We had some in November. We had some in March of 2024, but it hasn't happened yet this year. And this is, historically speaking, it should be the largest year of adoption we see for this crypto cycle, but it should be the largest year of adoption we will have seen in crypto history. And the fact that it hasn't began yet gives me a lot of excitement, because prices are what they are for XRP right now, but the big wave of adoption hasn't even begun. And frankly, when we think about it, there are so many exciting things that may in fact be coming down the line for XRP that could boost price even more. Again, we're talking about a spot ETF. We're talking about some clarity in this Ripple v SEC case. We're talking about the US embrace of crypto. All these things we talk about time and time again here on the channel are what lead us to this very exciting explosion that XRP is probably going to see sometime in the near term, right? Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that, but what I want to talk about is the fact that if these things play out right, we might actually be talking about XRP flipping Ethereum over the course of these next 3 months. Now, this is something that actually Dom Kwok reported to, I don't know if I'm saying his name right. He's a former Goldman Sachs analyst. He actually alluded to earlier this year. He said there's a high chance that XRP flips ETH very soon. And what's interesting is I think now we're actually getting an even better chance of this taking place. And why I'm saying this is, if you guys haven't noticed, XRP has done a very good job of showing a lot of strength through the charts. Even most assets right now from December have just been down, 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 down. And luckily, we have dealt with some very good events that have caused XRP price to actually rebound. For example, back here, if you guys remember the breakout that took place in the early part of January, there was the announcement of RLUSD and that coming to the Ripple ecosystem. Very big deal. And then we've had some subsequent good news announcements along the way. And unfortunately, the only thing that's really brought XRP price down as of late, apart from the liquidation event, has just been some of these broader market negative events that really haven't even been that bad per se. But what we've noticed during the same time is that Ethereum just continues to drop and drop and drop. Now, yesterday it was trying to make a rebound and it started a little bit of recovery, a little bit of a breakout here, but then because of Binance selling, it caused it to drop even more. All right. And this has not been good for ETH. But then again, when we look at the charts here, we look at how XRP is compared to, or how it has performed compared to ETH over the last 24 hours, Ethereum is bleeding at a faster rate than XRP. And I don't want to compare bleeding, right? But the fact that XRP has already shown that it's confirmed its bottom versus BTC, and in fact, it had a double bottom back here on the latter part of November. The fact that it's done this, but actually the ETH BTC chart is still trying to confirm its bottom. What we're seeing is a lot of strength from XRP right now. I would say it's far more likely that XRP at this point accelerates and starts to, enter price discovery and make new highs faster than Ethereum does. Even though, ETH, I'd say they're actually probably both pretty close to doing this, but look at the resistance that ETH has been fighting along this way. It can't break 4,100 to save its life right now. It tried this again back in March of 2024. It tried it again in December. And guys, that is not good for Ethereum. But what it is good for is XRP. If you're an XRP holder, that brings a whole different narrative surrounding XRP. Being the third largest asset in crypto, that's cool. Being the second largest asset in crypto, now that's a big deal. So people are going to recognize that. People are starting to understand the big integrations that are coming for XRP. I didn't see this just until the other day, but the fact that Japan is going to be using XRP in 80% of its cross-border settlements. I mean, there are so many big things taking place behind the scene right now that you can get excited about when it comes to XRP, when it comes to Ripple, and really this show is just getting started. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think that XRP is going to accelerate and pass Ethereum over these next few months? Do you think that this cycle of adoption is going to begin sometime soon? But have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.